In this tutorial, I want to show you how to add effects in Filmora. I already have a clip in my timeline, and I want to apply an effect to give it a more cinematic or stylized look. First, go to the Effects panel at the top of the screen. You'll see several categories here, like video effects, audio effects, or body effects. I'll go to the video effects section for now. And from here, I'm going to choose the trending tab to explore some popular options. When you hover your mouse over any of the effects, you'll get a quick live preview right on the thumbnail. This helps you see what each effect is before you apply it. For this example, I'm going to use the Chromatic Aberration effect. Just drag the Chromatic Aberration effect onto your clip in the timeline. Now hit play, and you'll see the effect applied. There's a subtle color distortion around the edges of the frame, giving your footage a slightly trippy, stylized feel. If you want to test other effects, just drag and drop them the same way. You can even stack multiple effects to create something unique. And that's it. Adding effects in Filmora is super simple and only takes a few seconds. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more Filmora tutorials.